Welcome back to Yahoo Finance's live market coverage. We want to give you an update on the stimulus checks. Now, over 88 million people have been issued checks, but many are still waiting and have had problems tracking their payments online using the IRS Get My Payment tool. Now, Sibile Marcellus joins us now. And Sibile, I know you're looking into this story for us. The Treasury Department is now saying that the tool has undergone significant enhancements. What are some of those changes? And for the Americans who are still waiting for their checks, when can they expect to receive them?
Yes, so Seana, in total, the IRS, as of April 17th, has sent nearly $158 billion in stimulus payments. Now, here's a breakdown of the top 5 states that got the most money. You've got Texas, 14 trillion, Florida, 11 trillion, California, nearly 16 trillion, New York, 9 trillion, and Pennsylvania, 6.6 trillion. But as you mentioned, there are still millions of Americans waiting on their stimulus checks. So what the IRS has said is that people should go to the IRS website, to the Get My Payment tool, go there, and if you want to get the stimulus payment deposited into your bank account, put in your information, or you can also check the status of your stimulus check there. But they retooled the website and they said that it's enhanced and it should help Americans who are waiting on their checks get more information on when they should be getting those checks.
And Sibile, it's interesting because it's not just stimulus checks that many Americans are waiting for. Millions of Americans who filed for unemployment benefits are still waiting for their money. Now, there was a new study out by Pew Research over the weekend and found that 71% of jobless Americans didn't receive their March unemployment benefits. Is this simply just because too many people are filing? And when is this expected to be resolved?
Yeah, so what we're seeing, this is from the Pew Research Center, is that not everybody who was laid off in March actually got unemployment benefits in some states. So the stat that they put up is only about 29% of unemployed Americans received unemployment benefits in March. And there's a couple different reasons for that. So first, you have to earn the minimum wage to qualify, and that amount varies state by state. Also, some job categories may not be eligible at all. For instance, real estate agents paid on commission can collect benefits in only 6 states. And there's also a regional difference. Out of the 10 states where fewer than 15% of unemployed people received benefits in March, 7 were in the South. And then 9 out of the 12 states where more than 40% of people received unemployment benefits, many of them were in the Northeast or Midwest.
Yeah, this is certainly something that is affecting millions of Americans, like you said, so we will continue to monitor this story.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.